Hi and welcome to this video. My name is Chantal and I want to talk to you about the turkey. Christmas is past now and what is left from Christmas is a empty meat with a bone turkey. So with the bones, what I do is I like to make a turkey broth to make soup. So it's very good because now I have a little cold and my family too. I will cook a nice turkey broth and we'll make a soup with that after. So just to make it very simple, here I have my turkey bones, and in the bottom, because when I cooked it, I put some vegetables, some onions, celery, and carrots. So this already have a lot of flavor and taste. So only thing I need to do is to cover up with water and put it to boil for maybe 30-40 minutes, just a simmering, and then I will be able to use it as the turkey broth for soup. So the bones at least is a good thing to reuse them this way. It's not completely waste, so it's good to reuse whatever we have in the kitchen. So let's start by putting water. Yeah, so I just put the water inside. I will add a little bit salt and pepper. And there's already, as I said, some vegetable on the ground. If you cooked your turkey without any vegetable, so you can put one onion, a couple of carrots, and celery to give a taste. So let's put this nice bowl on the stove. So what we need to do is to let it boil until it comes like a little bubble and it's going to be simmering. So then it's going to be time to let it cook for at least 30 minutes. Um, I put it first to high and then I put the stove to medium, sometime a little bit less than medium after it started boiling. So this I'm using this turkey roaster. It was from my mother. It's more than 50 years old, so it's a little bit reminds me of her when I use this this cooking device. It's been a long time in the family, and I'm using at least 2 times per year. I would say that I cook turkey, but especially Christmas time. So I have a little thought for her as well because she's gone since many years now. So here I'm gonna add some parsley stems. They are like when you use the leaves and you don't use the stem because they are too hard, but instead of throwing them, you can either freeze them or then, like now I have them fresh, and use them in any like a broth, whether it's a vegetable broth or chicken or turkey broth in that case. And so you will see, that it's gonna melt too. It's gonna give more taste to the turkey broth. There you go. So we're gonna let it uh, boil a little bit for at least 30 minutes. As you can see now, it's simmering well. There's a nice color, by the vegetable and the color of the skin that was inside. It became a nice brown color, and the stems too are starting to melt. So we're gonna put to medium, high, close to medium, and we let this thing go. It's going very well. You have no idea how much it smells good. You can see now my carrots, everything, vegetable, they start to come up, onions and celery. So it's gonna be just beautiful. So now it's all cooked. So we're gonna let it rest because it's very, very hot. And once it has cooled down a little bit, then I'm gonna remove the bones and put it in a small bowl and use it for any soup. Um, you can freeze it after. So I will show you after. So now it's time to remove the bones. As you can see, there's a lot of meat left underneath the turkey. So I'm gonna keep this meat and put it in the soup. It's gonna make some good addition. It's still very good and tender because it has double cooked, in fact, in the juice in the broth. So let's keep all this good meat and reuse it. As you can see, this broth will be perfect for soups, creamy potages, or even sauces. So it takes a little while to remove everything, but it's worthwhile because first of all, it smells so good. The flavor of this turkey broth is rich and packed with incredible taste. And you will see it has a golden color. You will see at the end how it is beautiful. Um, the reaction of the adding the water and the base that was already made of collagen from the turkey bones and the fat, which gives the broth a lot of body and richness, full of taste. Here is some storage tips. You can keep the turkey broth in the fridge for at least 3-4 days in a container. In the freezer, you can keep it as much as 6 months if it's stored properly. I recommend freezing it in small portion for convenience, and it's easy to just take a one pack and start a soup or a potage. If you find your turkey broth to be too much concentrated, and because it's really a concentration of taste, when you make a soup, you can um, add a little bit more water to dilute it. Add the color. It's golden. It's beautiful hue. It comes from the turkey skin and the vegetable, and it's just nice color, and it's beautiful and tasty, and it smells so good. So I hope this gave you a good idea of what to do with turkey bones and make an excellent turkey broth to make a super, super tasty soup, which I will show you in the next video. For now, this is my first video on my YouTube channel, so I hope you appreciate it. My goal is to bring Quebec and traditional and international um, recipes to everybody. And I'm doing it in English, so you will see sometime I can tell you some little words in French. Maybe you will enjoy to have this little information. So I wish that we are going to do a long journey. This is my first video, so please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. And don't forget to give a thumbs up if you liked it. So see you next time.